Hello, everyone. Today we have a special guest, and we will introduce him to our next meetup, which will be on 7th December at 6 p.m. Sorry. And it is Oscar Dudic. He has 16 years experience in business process. So nice to meet you and nice to have you in here with us. Uh, Oscar, can you tell us who you are
Mhm,
and how you did get here to us to present your presentation?
mhm. Thank you for for introduction. So my name is Oscar Dudic. I'm a developer with over 16 years experience, as you said. I went the whole journey from junior to mid-year, senior manager, but now I'm currently working as a independent consultant. I was joking for most of my career from consultants, and now I'm one of them. um, but the reason why I became such is that I really believe that event-driven software and event-driven architecture, event sourcing can help in solving and making both developers and business life easier. So making and creating applications that are closer to the business domain, and that's what I do in a various ways. Besides consulting, I'm also the co-maintainer of the Martin library, which I will use as an example to show how to build event sourcing application during the webinar.
Great, but and exactly what do you want to share with us?
Mhm.
Can you tell about something about?
Sure. So event sourcing, I'm joking that is usually treated like a Nessie or Sasquatch. So most of the people heard about it, at least in the from the most of the developers, but not many people saw it. And I really believe that event sourcing, because of its nature, can should be much wide had wider usage. And why do I think like that? Because event sourcing helps us to capture the granular information about our business process. So after each operation of our business operation, we should store the facts, and so events, and then having this granular information can help us to, for example, have a much easier representation of the business in our code. So understanding our both business domain and code, and it also helps us to build better integration. So we can build like from the Lego blocks our system, building from a smaller loosely coupled fragments, which also makes our code and application much more maintainable. And that from the business standpoint, it also helps to deliver faster and also be able to iterate or try our ideas faster, so getting the faster feedback loop. So I will try to show that event sourcing is not that hard as it pictured, and also I will try to bust some of the common misconception, like that you need multiple databases, that you need messaging tooling, that you need eventual consistency, and all that scary word that we are scaring ourselves and our business.
Yeah, it's kind of scary, but when you just jump into it, it's probably more understandable. But it's very important to know how to the clients act, because in this time when you drive your business with more information about behavior of clients, it's good to
Mhm,
know why they are choosing something, or why they are not choosing, or why they are pick something and not buy it.
mhm,
So it's nice to have someone on our webinars to know how to deal with it, and I will be look forward of your presentation. Of course,
mhm,
Veronica will go with you on the webinar. But I have one more question, Oscar. It's not over. Of what do you recommend from yourself? Not for reading, doing, or following. What is your not day by day, not working in not working time? What do you prefer, or what do you recommend?
Mm, from not working.
Yes, not um, on your free time.
Mhm. Yeah. So from the reading, I I personally don't read a lot of mm, self-help books. I read mostly regular books. So my favorite is 1984 by George Orwell. If someone
Mm,
didn't read, then highly encourage you, or To Kill Mockingbird. In general, I really believe that reading regular books can teach us much more about ourselves than all those self-help books. But if someone would like to read it, then I think that Atomic Habits from that style is really useful to learn how to build a habit and help yourself with the tiny small changes. So
mhm.
that's really I think the best book of such type that I've read.
I heard about this book a lot of times since 1 year from now, uh, and I have to read it after I am after reading Greed and start with the why, uh,
Hmm.
and right now I'm reading. Uh, Give me a moment. Niewidzialne kobiety. I
Hmm.
will write it on the chat lately, but it's important topic for me. So it's good to have something after work to go ahead and dip your jump into with your mind and not think about your work all day. So
Hmm.
okay, that is enough. I think from my side. Maybe you want to say something from yourself
Hmm.
or not. If not,
Yeah, just one more thing, that this webinar will be really hands-on, so we will see quite a lot of code. So that's if some, yeah, so it will be quite meaty in that regards. So just a
okay.
warning or encouragement depending on who's looking on.
Okay, so it really sounds fine. It really sounds amazing. So I will be joining with you with this. I will join to this webinar like a watcher, like a member. So okay, I think they have all. Thank you, Oscar. And let's see on the 7th December for yes, 7th December 6 p.m.
Hmm.
And goodbye.
Yeah, thank you.